Okay, I'm unmolding this box for the dominoes, the marbled dominoes. Oh, it's going to be beautiful. I can get it on out here. Oh, there's one side of it, and there's the other side of it. Oh, it's beautiful. Here's the bottom of it. Now look at that. Oh, ain't that beautiful? Oh, that's gorgeous. I love that. Oh, you know what I would like to do? I would like to make some resin Barbie doll furniture. But they don't have any molds for anything like that. Maybe if I could make some molds like that somehow, but I don't know how I could. I don't know how I could. I just don't know how. Look at that. Okay, now let's try. Oh, here's the lid. I gotta get the lid unpeeled. Just think, if you had the molds, you could make the most beautiful Barbie doll furniture. Beautiful chairs and tables and everything. Well, come on now. On off. There we go. Okay, there's the top of it. It's beautiful. Oh, wow. There's the top. There's the bottom of the top. Oh, that's gorgeous. Can you imagine making doll furniture and making the countertops in the doll kitchen marbled like this? Can you imagine? Wow. Oh. Well, you could use a pattern like this and just add some lids to it. Get that dang phone call off of there. I get 1,000 phone calls a day from telemarketers and spam and all kinds of stuff from all over the country, all over the United States, every day. It drives me crazy. I don't know how to get rid of them. If anybody knows, let me know. Now let me see how I'm going to do this. That is absolutely gorgeous. Now how do we do this? I think it goes like this somehow. I'm going to turn that in this way. Oh, I remember now about those things. Okay. I think we put the ends on first. You see these little prongs here on the side? You kind of bend them in when you put these on. And it helps them to stay a little tighter on there. That's why they made the mold like that. But what I will do is next time I mix up some clear resin, I will put some resin around on the joints, the seams, to make sure that it's going to stay together. Okay, there's got the two ends on. You put the two ends on first. Then you take one of your other ends. Oh, they're so beautiful. It's just, oh, it knocks my socks off. Oh, I just love this marbled effect. I intend to make some more. Now, if I can just get I have to push those prongs in to get that to go in there, and it's a bit tricky. Come on now, get in there. Okay, I got that one. Now, come on, get in there. Come on. It's tricky. Come on, get on there. I'm having to force it on there. Oh, let me push this other one over. Now, get on there. Oh, come on, what's the matter? I over-poured this end of it, is what it is. I need to get some of the excess off of there. Try to get some of this excess off, if I can. I don't know if I can. That's why it's not wanting to go in. Got excess amount of resin up here. I gotta scrape it a little bit. Let's try it. Now the end came back off of it. Well, let's see, get that back on. Get the end of it back on. Now, come on. There we go now. Get that piece. I gotta start all over with this thing. Now, come on. Come on, get on there. All right, I got that on there. Now, get this. Okay, I got that on there. Now, come on. There we go. It looks like a couch, don't it? I guess you could use this to make a couch. Just cut those little things off like right there. Make a Barbie couch that way. Okay, and here we go. Ho, ho, ho. Oh, don't you fall apart while I'm trying to do this. Now, get on there. Well, come on now, get on. I need to trim some off of this. I overfilled it or something. It's just not wanting to go in. Doggone it. See if I can. There really shouldn't be any problem going on there. It ought to just get on there. Push that prong in, and there we go, got it. Come on. That one now, come on. This one, oh God, come on, don't give me no trouble. Just get in there. Come on, just get in there. Oh, there we go, I have to push them. It just not wanting to slip right on for some reason. This thing is not completely hardened up either. It's not completely hardened up. See how I've got the pieces together? Oh, it's beautiful. love this marbled effect. Now I'm going to squeeze these pieces together. See, what I'll need to do is put some clear resin all around on these places here, and so it'll seal it together. And I don't know why that's not wanting to go down all the way, stay down. Right there, just better do it. Okay, oh, it's beautiful. Oh. And then the lid just sets down on top of it, like that. And that is your domino box. Ain't that gorgeous? Oh, that's beautiful. It is beautiful. I love it. Oh, I love it. You just take the lid off like that. You know what would be neat? To make an extra domino and put on and glue on the top with it, but it don't have to have that. And you see that? That's where an air bubble was. And there's where an air bubble was. There's where an air bubble was right there. That happens. But it don't affect how the lid fits. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I am happy with this. I'm pleased with it. Oh my. Oh my. It's gorgeous. I just wanted to share that with y'all. Bye.